You know your parents love you, but some nights it just doesn't feel like it. In most Indian homes, love is always there, but rarely spoken. It shows up in quiet ways, like your mom asking, Khana kha liya? Even when she's exhausted. Your dad making sure everything is taken care of without ever saying what it cost him. They worry about you constantly. घर पहुंच गई, फोन उठाया करो, खाना टाइम से खाया करो. But no hugs, no I love you for no reason, no I miss you, no I'm proud of you, beta. Because in our culture, love is not expressed in words, it is expressed in responsibility, in showing up, in doing things for you, not in saying them. So, growing up, you quietly learn something. Love doesn't need to be said, it just exists. And because of that, even when you feel love, you don't really know how to express it. Try करके देखो. कभी randomly I love you बोलो अपने parents को. It feels awkward, right? Almost unnecessary. You stop yourself. You think, Arey, they know this. But somewhere inside, you also realize this. Even you have never actually heard it that frequently. And that creates a gap. You know your parents love you, but you don't fully feel it. And that gap doesn't stay at home. You carry it into your life. You start looking for that feeling outside. Validation important हो जाता है. लोग क्या सोचते हैं मैटर करने लग जाता है. You say yes when you actually want to say no. You get attached to people who show even a little bit of affection to you, not because you are weak, but because this is new. It feels like something you have been missing. And this is not your fault. In fact, this is not even your parents' fault. They loved you the way they were taught to love. I realized this in my own life. So I did something which felt very unnatural. I started appreciating my parents out of nowhere. I started expressing my love, saying I love you, I miss you, giving them hugs. At first, it felt so awkward. For me, for them. But they smiled. And in that moment, I realized they were not used to hearing it either. And you know what? Doing all of this really shifted something inside me. The heaviness that I didn't know how to express in words started to ease. So maybe the problem is not that your parents don't love you. Maybe it's just that love was never spoken out loud in an Indian home. And that's why you never learned how to fully feel it. So don't wait for it somewhere outside. Start where it already exists. Break this cultural conditioning. It will feel strange, but you say it aloud. You start expressing love. You make it normal in your house. Because sometimes healing doesn't come from finding new love. It comes from finally giving a voice to the love that was always there.